26 left, clear to land, winds 1807.
Clear land, 26 left up, make sure winds up 368.
Ready to contact clear Colville. Big stripe 120, Bravo, cross 19 right, ground point 9er. 3 Mike, contact departure, good day.
Departure, see you in a bit, 73 Mike.
88 Golf, Yankee, Las Vegas, there, yep.
Roger. Go. On your right.
Colville, uniform. 43 radar contact clear Colville.
Colville, 943.
Airfly 1, your radar contact 2200.
Airfly 1.
Double check the squawk for me, please. 4755.
This is a triple takeoff, Frontier 3108.
West 2050, 26 right, line of way. Stripe 410, I got traffic right behind you on final. Expedite off the runway and then turn left on Alpha to Delta.
Going off Alpha 7, we'll expedite off and then left at Delta, Big Stripe 410.
Delta 543, connect departure.
Departure Delta 543.
Southwest 2050, winds 220 at 90, runway 26 right, clear for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff, runway 26 right, Southwest 26.
Southwest 2645, 26 right, line of point.
26 right, line of way, Southwest 2645.
On Delta, hold short of 26 right.
On Delta, we'll hold short of 26 right.
Southwest 1315, turn right, hold short of runway 26 right.
That right, and hold short of 26 right, Southwest 1350.
Frontier 3108, connect departure.
Departure, Frontier 3108.
57, couple minutes in position, 19 left, minor point.
Only 266 over the top, Southwest 2645.
Southwest 2050, connect departure.
Good day, South 2050.
Skywest 3391, cross 26 right, ground point 1.
Cross 26 right, point 1. Have a good one, Skywest 3391.
Southwest 1315, cross 26 right, ground point 1.
Good over to the right. Alright, clear to cross 26 right, and over to ground, Southwest 1350, good day.
Hey, Big Stripe 410 for you, cross runway 26 right and hold short of 19 left at Bravo.
Cross 26 right, hold short of 19 left at Bravo, Big Stripe 410.
Southwest 3368, cross 26 right, ground point 1.
Cross 26 right, ground point 1, Southwest, Delta 368.
Big Stripe 410, 1875, see it. Southwest 2645, connect departure.
Good day, Southwest 2645.
About 5 minutes for departures on this site.
3.
3368, golf to the ramp.
Golf to the ramp.
Big Golf Yankee, the wind 200 at 6, turn left heading 175, runway 19 left, go for takeoff.
19 left, clear for takeoff, heading 175.